we're gonna need raisins or chocolate chips and sticks, banana, and yogurt. Lele and Lele! Yay! For the chocolate chip. We're also gonna need Greek yogurt. We're gonna need bananas. Wowee! Banana. Some flowers too. We're gonna need pumpkin. And don't forget the raisins.
This one, with the mayo. Oh my!
Hi friends! So we're gonna need raisins or chocolate chips and sticks, banana, and yogurt. By peeling the banana. Just cut it in half. Let's just dip it in yogurt. Cadabra. Now that we put the yogurt and put the sticks inside, we're gonna make the eye. Chose to use raisins because they're healthy and they're really good. Wow! I use chocolate because it's so yummy.
Mmm.
Now that we're all done with our banana ghost, we're gonna put it in the freezer